create a sample program of Servlet. First of all, I'm going to download Apache Tomcat. So type download Apache Tomcat 9 in your on your browser. Then you will get option Apache Tomcat 9 to download. Click on this link. Then you will get this screen. Scroll down. Here you can see this download. These are the versions. Tomcat 10, 11, 10, 9 like this. Okay, but we are going to download 9. Okay, so you will here you will hear 9.0. And there is a sub option is a core. Core has multiple files like 32-bit Windows, 64-bit Windows, 32 window or 64-bit Windows. So as per your platform, if your Windows is 32 bits, you can click on 32-bit Windows zip file. If your Windows is 64-bit, so you can click on 64-bit Windows zip. Okay, and you can also download installer of Apache Tomcat. But I think zip file is very easy. Only you click on this. It will as your platform. You can choose this. Start the downloading. Okay, but I have already downloaded, so click on cancel. Okay, so it will provide you a zip file. So if you want to use Tomcat server, you first of all extract this file. Okay, so after extraction, you will get a folder like this. Actually, I save my server on D drive, here software, and you will get here, you can see the Apache Tomcat. So after extraction, you will get a folder Apache Tomcat 9.0 like this. Okay, open this folder, then you will get the actual folder of your Apache Tomcat server. Okay, so we will use this server. If you open this folder, then you will get the folders and files of your Apache Tomcat. Okay, so now I'm going to open ID. It's okay. Hello. It's okay. Any problem? Surya? Hello, Surya. Surya, are you available? Okay, sir. Windows installer screen opening, sir. Okay, my screen visible. Okay. If you have any doubt or any queries, you can write down chat box. Okay. So now I'm going to create a dynamic web application. So please click on file, then click on new. Then here you will get a option dynamic web project. So please click on this option. Okay. Here where dynamic web project, here you can wait. But suppose this is my project name. And here you can get dynamic web module version. Okay, so this is a different version, but now I'm going to use version 2.5. But you can say why we are using 2.5. Actually, if you want to see the web.xml, because web.xml we will also use in Spring. So here you can see this, you can see the, and it's what is the view of web.xml. So you can select this because currently we can use the 3.0, 3.1, 4.0, and the latest version of Servlet use annotation at the place of web.xml. Okay, but only see the uh, web.xml file I choose here 2.5, but you can use 3.0 or 4.0 or any version because the latest version of the Servlet used uh, annotation at the place of web.xml. Okay, then click on next. Here you can see the SRC. This is a source folder. In this folder, we will create the different types of servlet and build slash classes. This folder contains the class file of that servlet. Okay. After that, click on next. Here you can see the generate deployment descriptor. So it will provide default web.xml file. The web.xml file is also called deployment descriptor. Okay, and content directory. Here you can see this. The project name is web1 and content directory is web content. In web content, we can create the different types of file like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, image. We can store any type of static page in web content folder and generate web.xml deployment descriptor. It will automatically generate web.xml file. Okay, then click on finish. Click on no. Here you can see the wave one. Open this deployment descriptor. JAX WWS, these JAX US web services. Actually, you can also write the program of web services. Java resource, click on this folder, then we will get the source folder of servlet. Here you can see this SRC. Okay, and JavaScript resource build web content. If you want to create a HTML file, so here you can see the web content. Web content contain the web INF folder and can write the create HTML program or any static page we can store in web content. Okay, so here you can see there is a web INF folder. Okay, please open this folder. Then here you can get this is a lib folder. Here we can store the library files and web.xml. Web INF also contain web.xml file. Here you can see XML file web.xml. Here this is a welcome file. Here you can see the root tag is web app and web app. Okay. And this is a welcome list. Welcome list are already some things like index.html, index.html, index.jsp. So we can create any HTML file or JSP file. Okay, with name index. This file, uh, welcome file means home page. That will, if we will execute our website, so that will the first page display on the web browser. So we can create file and here we can declare the name of that file that will work as a home page. Okay. So here this is the index.html. So we can create a file index.html as a home page. Okay. So here right click on web content and create HTML file. Okay. Name is index because index is already declared in a welcome list file. Okay, if you want to create a different name, you can declare different name and declare in web list file, in welcome list file. Okay, click on next, then finish. We are using HTML file. Okay, click on finish. This is HTML file. Here we can declare like we can create HTML file like welcome to this. Suppose we want to execute this page. Okay, so click right mouse button here, run as. This is this web files, a web application. So it will execute on server. So run on server. Click on this option, run on server. My server is Apache Tomcat. So here you can see this. There are different folder. This is first is Apache. So we have Apache Tomcat. So please open this folder. Then you will get the version. So this is version 9. So please select this version 9 and click on next. Okay. Here this is name of Apache Tomcat version 9. This is name of server and Tomcat installation directory. So please click on browse. Okay. So my browser, my server is stored in D drive. So open D drive. Then open software. So you can search your Apache Tomcat server directory. So my server is stored in Apache Tomcat. Here you can see this. So open, this is the Apache Tomcat folder. So please click on this folder and click on select folder. Okay, it will show the path of your Apache Tomcat server. Okay, then click on next. It will show your configure. Here you can see this. This is configure your web application and then click on finish. Then it will try to execute your web application. This is the first time, so in some time. Okay, it shows starting time card time the 9.0 server at localhost has encountered a problem. Port 808 is already used. Okay, so we can change the port number. So here you can see this here Tomcat version server at localhost. Can you please open this file? Here you can see this HTTP 1.0.8080. So please change this port number. Okay, save this file. After that, try again. Execute this file. Okay, run as, click on run on server. Then click on next and finish. It's executing. You can see this. Okay, you can see here. Welcome to Arshin Infotech and homepage. Okay, but we have only a single page. This is the HTML page, so it's execute. But suppose we want to execute this page on web browser. So open this window. When you click on here, web browser. Suppose we want to execute this page on Chrome. So please click on Chrome. Okay. After that, again, this page on web browser. So click on run as, click on run on server. Next and finish. You can see the welcome to Arish Infotech homepage. Okay. Suppose now we want to execute, we want to create a servlet. So here is this is a web.xml. Okay. Then we will create a servlet. So our this ID automatically add the all information about the servlet in web.xml file. So we can see, suppose here, you can see here, it have only the information of web welcome file list. But now I'm going to create a servlet. So here we will create a servlet in resource in SRC folder. Okay, so click on right mouse button, then click on new. Then here you will get the servlet. Click on this servlet option. Okay, Java package name, you can write the Java com.arish. Okay, suppose this is a package name dot controller suppose. And here we can specify the name of the servlet class. So this is a name here. The class name is demo. Then click on next. Okay, and this is URL. And then click on next. Here you can see this. So do get and do post. Here you can see this. There are multiple methods like init, distry, get servlet config, get servlet info, service, do get, do post, do put, do delete head option, and to trace. So here do get and do post are already selected. So we can remove, because we are going to use only do get. So you can use only at a time only, we have need to only one method, do get. So okay, I remove the selection of do post and click on finish. And here you can see this. This is the SRC. Okay, this is the demo. Here you can see this public demo access HTTP servlet. Okay, so I think we have already done, I have already completed this 13 theoretical portion. So currently we are using HTTP servlet. We can use implement servlet interface. We can extend generic servlet, but currently we are using HTTP servlet. Okay, so demo extend HTTP servlet. This is a HTTP demo constructor. Here you can see this is service method, do get method. So this method have two parameters: HTTP servlet request and HTTP servlet response. Okay, through the response, we will send the response to client. Okay, so we have a method name is get writer. So the get writer we can send the response to client. Okay, but it's showing error. You can see here. Okay, first thing you can see here in web.xml provide you all information about your servlet. Here you can see this. The servlet name is this servlet tag and servlet mapping tag. Okay, servlet tag and servlet name and servlet class. This is a class of this class name is demo with package name. And this is URL. Through the URL, we can call this servlet. Okay, but here is showing error. So actually, servlet execute on the basis of server. Okay, so first of all, we will connect. We will add the jar file of server in this application. So for this purpose, please click right mouse button on the your project, and then you will get the option build path. You can see here build path. Please click on build path, then click on configure build path. Okay, then you will get this screen. Here you will get a tab name is libraries. Okay, please click on libraries, then you will get multiple buttons: add jar, add extra